Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Ryan Kerrigan here at MarineMax Danvers. Today we are taking a look at another stock 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is in the quantum blue hull with the white bottom. Also the matched tower panels there in the quantum blue. Super sharp color package for this boat. We're going to jump on board, take a look at some of the options, and I'll meet you guys in there. Starting in the transom, we have the Mercury Outboard 250 VDO V8 engine. Stepping inside, we actually decided to option this boat with just the non-skid throughout the boat, give it the option if you want to do sea deck, if you want to do infinity woven vinyl snap-in flooring, as you guys are familiar with on the 230, and if you're not, this is the spacious sun lounge towards the transom, which is adjustable with this backrest. And what Sea Ray is known for, their super spacious and inclusive cockpit area. They do a really great job of creating a super open environment. They have a reversible portside lounger, as well as the controls to your Fusion stereo. This one is equipped with twin screens, which is part of the upgraded package. Your Mercury binnacle, as well as all your toggle switches for your lights and such. We'll come back to the head in just a moment, but moving towards the bow, again, continuing with that width, that inclusivity, that nice big open space that Sea Ray is always good for on the 230, especially carrying into the new line with that space. Very open boat. The SDX is known for its space due to the width of the boat, which carries all the way to the bow from the stern. So super nice, super wide, super comfy. And we're going to jump in here and show you the head in just a moment. Now, to just expand on the model a little bit here, this is similar to the 250 and the 270 models in the sense of they moved a lot of the console on the left side towards the right side to open up this space in the head, and I'm just going to open this up for you guys here. So as you can see, especially for a 23-foot boat, it is super uncommon to have, high headroom as well as extra storage down there. So you can see we have the cushions down there as well, and in a good enough scenario, this would serve as, a good resting spot. So you can keep this vent open to allow sunlight, fresh air, and you can get a little cat nap down below. Guys, this is one of my favorite models from the new Sea Ray implementation of the SDX into the 230, replacing the SPX series. Super wide boat, super comfortable, and just a lot of fun when it gets out on the water. If you guys are interested in checking out this new model or this stock boat specifically, we are at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers. We'd be happy to show you guys the boat, and hopefully when the weather turns right, we will take you out on some sea trials and some demos on it. All right? Thank you guys.